Azure Prompt Flow is Microsoft's visual pipeline builder for LLM applications, built right into Azure AI Studio. In this video we cover what Prompt Flow is, why it exists, how it works, key features like variance and evaluation, real enterprise use cases, a code example, and when to use it versus alternatives. Building LLM applications manually is harder than it looks. You chain prompts in Python scripts, but one prompt change silently breaks downstream steps. There is no built-in tracing to see what happened, no structured way to test prompt variants side by side, and pushing to production means rewriting the whole thing as an API. Teams waste weeks on plumbing instead of delivering value. Azure Prompt Flow is a visual DBG-based orchestration tool inside Azure AI Studio. You build LLM pipelines as graphs, a circumflex euros nodes for prompts, Python functions, LLM calls, and conditionals. Run them interactively, batch test against datasets, compare prompt variants, and deploy as managed REST endpoints, a circumflex euros, all from one environment connected to your Azure OpenAI deployments. A flow starts with an input node defining your schema, a circumflex euros question, context, user ID. Data flows through a prompt node that renders a GenA2 template, then an LLM node that calls Azure OpenAI. A Python node transforms the output. Finally, the output node packages a structured JSON response. Every node input and output is logged automatically with token counts. Under the hood, Prompt Flow runs on a managed compute cluster inside Azure AI Studio. The Flow runtime executes your DAG, calling LLM connections and tools. A built-in tracing store captures every node's inputs, outputs, and token counts. The evaluation engine scores your flow against a ground truth dataset. Approved flows deploy as Azure managed online endpoints, a circumflex euro standard REST APIs. Prompt Flow ships 5 production-grade features. Prompt variants let you run multiple prompt versions in one batch and compare quality scores. Built-in tracing gives node-level visibility into every run. Batch evaluation scores hundreds of test cases with groundedness, coherence, and custom metrics. The VS Code extension lets you edit and debug flows locally. Azure Monitor integration gives live latency and error dashboards. Prompt Flow has 5 node types. LLM nodes call language models with a GenA2 template, a circumflex euros uset model, temperature, and max tokens. Python nodes run arbitrary code for pre- and post-processing. Tool nodes call built-ins like Azure AI Search or Content Safety. Prompt nodes render templates without an LLM call. And conditional branches route flow based on output values. Compare Prompt Flow to LangChain. LangChain is code first and framework agnostic, as circumflex euros great for developers who want full control. Prompt Flow is GUI and IDE first with built-in Azure evaluation and deployment versus building manually. Hand-rolled scripts have no tracing, no variant testing, and no managed deployment. Prompt Flow delivers all 3, integrated with Azure RBAC, Monitor, and responsible AI content filters. Prompt Flow powers 4 common enterprise patterns. RAG chatbots, a circumflex euros wire Azure AI Search to an LLM node and deploy as a Teams or web bot. Document summarizers, a circumflex euros batch process thousands of PDFs with a single flow. Customer support triage, a circumflex euros classify and route incoming tickets with conditional branch flows. Evaluation pipelines, a circumflex euros automatically score your RAG system on quality metrics every time you update a prompt. The Python SDK lets you run any deployed flow in 3 lines. Create a PF client, call create and wait pointing at your flow folder and a data JSON file, and retrieve outputs with get details. For production, a deployed flow endpoint is just a REST API you call with a standard HTTP post, a circumflex euros, no SDK required. The same flow runs locally, in batch, and in production. Use Prompt Flow when you need structured evaluation and tracing, when multiple team members collaborate on prompts, or when you need managed deployment on Azure. Avoid it when you need ultra-low latency and the DAG overhead matters, when your pipeline is a single LLM call with no branching, or when you are building outside Azure and vendor lock-in is a concern. Quick recap. Azure Prompt Flow is Azure AI Studio's visual LLM pipeline builder. It solves tracing, evaluation, and deployment gaps in hand-rolled apps. Flows are DAGs of LLM, Python, and tool nodes. Built-in batch evaluation scores your prompts on quality metrics. Deploy as a managed REST endpoint in 1 click. Best for RAG chatbots, document processing, and evaluation pipelines on Azure. That is Azure Prompt Flow, a circumflex euros from DAG runtime to batch evaluation to managed endpoints. If you are building LLM applications on Azure, Prompt Flow is the fastest path from prototype to production. Did this make Prompt Flow click for you? Follow for plain English breakdowns of Azure AI and Gen AI every week.